Welcome to our comparison of two popular power supplies, the CORSAIR RM650 and the ARESGAME AGV650. In this video, we will explore their features, specifications, and what makes each of them unique. Whether you're building a new PC or upgrading your current setup, choosing the right power supply is crucial for performance and reliability. The CORSAIR RM650 is priced at $89, making it a more affordable choice compared to the ARESGAME AGV650, which retails for $99. While the CORSAIR offers a better price point, the ARESGAME's slightly higher price may be justified by its features for some users. It's essential to consider your budget and what you're willing to spend on a power supply. When it comes to efficiency, the CORSAIR RM650 shines with its 80+ Gold certification, indicating higher efficiency and lower energy consumption. In contrast, the ARESGAME AGV650 has an 80+ Bronze rating, which, while still decent, does not match the efficiency of the CORSAIR. This difference can lead to cost savings in the long run, especially for users who run their systems for extended periods. The design of the CORSAIR RM650 features a fully modular layout, allowing users to connect only the cables they need, which helps with cable management and airflow within the case. On the other hand, the ARESGAME AGV650 is a non-modular power supply, which means all cables are permanently attached. This can lead to a cluttered build if not managed properly. The choice between modular and non-modular designs can significantly affect your build's aesthetics and airflow. In conclusion, both the CORSAIR RM650 and ARESGAME AGV650 have their strengths and weaknesses. If you prioritize efficiency, modularity, and a longer warranty, the CORSAIR RM650 is the way to go. However, if you're looking for a more budget-friendly option and don't mind the non-modular design, the ARESGAME AGV650 could be a suitable choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.